Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to show you another very simple double boil soup, yeah, using my usual steaming method. So today you can see two types of carrots here. There is a green carrot and also red carrot, yeah. So and also some ribs here, spare ribs. So this is actually what we call青红萝卜汤in Cantonese. Appa's Cantonese is terrible. So anyway, meaning literally translated as to pork ribs, yeah, pork ribs with green and also red carrots. All right. The only thing extra that I added today is I happen to have some bacon in my my fridge, so I'm putting in one piece of bacon to give it more flavor. That's all. All right. This is super simple. Put everything inside a bowl, steam it. That's it. Done. Beautiful soup. Done, completed in about 30 to 40 minutes. By the way, when you are using spare ribs or pork ribs, you do need to blanch it first, yeah, to remove the gaminess and the scums, yeah, from especially the bones itself. Let's slowly put in the ingredient. I'm putting in the bacon first. The ribs, wow, the ribs is huge. The carrots, green and also red carrots. This is a very good soup to disperse body heat. At least this is what Chinese believe lah. Chinese love to do all kinds of soup. All right, next thing we are going to give it a little bit of seasoning here. I'm going to give it a bit of fine salt, two small pieces of rock sugar, optional. I know a lot of you don't like to add rock sugar into your soup. Give it a bit of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Those interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore. This is made out of 100% nature ingredient, yeah. And a few dashes of white pepper. Last but not least, add in some filtered water here. Alright, just nice. You want to leave some room here. Don't make it too full. It may overflow later. Let's go and look at my steamer. So the first thing, you want to preheat your steamer until at least 100 degrees Celsius. Then very slowly and carefully we put in soup. And let's steam it for approximately half an hour to 40 minutes. Then it is done. That's how simple it is. Yeah, it is still, I still call this double boil. It's because double boil actually means indirect heat. You cook a soup using indirect heat. So the indirect heat I'm using here is actually the steam. Oh, it actually stopped at about 37 minutes. It says the water is running out. I need to add water. Actually, 37 minutes is good enough lah. Anything between 30 minutes to 40 minutes, if you ask me, good enough. So once the steam has released, very carefully we can take out this pot. Ooh, very hot. Be careful. Okay, the soup is ready. Let me open this. Oh, smells so good. All right. Wow, the bacon can be eaten also. That's how simple it is to make what we call green red carrot, yeah, green and red carrot and pork ribs. So that's how simple it is to make a very simple and yummy double boil soup at home. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Cut Cooking Appa Facebook fan page or click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. For those of you who wanted Appa to make more double boil soup for you, easy, simplified double boil soup for you, recipe for you, let me know in the comment section below. Bye bye. Appa is going to eat this with the bacon fried rice.